How to lose weight fast. Here is a simple 3-step plan to lose weight fast. 1. Cut back on sugars and starches. The most important part is to cut back on sugars and starches. It is not uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds in the first week of eating this way. The low-carb group is eating until fullness, while the low-fat group is calorie restricted and hungry. Cut the carbs, and you will start to eat fewer calories automatically, and without hunger. Summary: removing sugars and starches from your diet will reduce your appetite, lower your insulin levels and make you lose weight without hunger. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include a protein source, a fat source and low-carb vegetables. Constructing your meals in this way will automatically bring your carb intake into the recommended range of 20 to 50 grams per day. Protein sources: meat, beef, chicken, pork, lamb, etc. Fish and seafood: salmon, trout, shrimp, etc. Eggs: whole eggs with the yolk are best. High-protein diets can also reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%. Reduce the desire for late-night snacking by half, and make you so full that you automatically eat 441 fewer calories per day just by adding protein to your diet. Low-carb vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber. Fat sources: olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, butter. Eat 2 to 3 meals per day. If you find yourself hungry in the afternoon, add a 4th meal. Summary: assemble each meal out of a protein source, a fat source and low-carb vegetables. This will put you in the 20 to 50 gram carb range, and significantly lower your hunger levels. 3. Lift weights 3 times per week. Summary: it is best to do some sort of resistance training like weightlifting. If that is not an option, cardio workouts are also effective.